Hello, it's the Spice Climber. I'm just about to cook some food. Today I've got some chicken wings. Some lemonade, sorry. So chicken wings are flavored with paprika. Oh, hello, whoever it is. Wow, 4 people already. Nice to meet you all. Can't see any comments yet. There we go. Phil. Yeah, I'm doing some chicken wings. They're just about to go into the oven. They are flavored with paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some pepper, and also I do have some this might be hard to see. It's jalapeno, green jalapeno powder. Never seen that before. Hi Patrick. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and probably have some nice sauces with it. Actually, one of my new favorite sauces is this Vicious Viper from K-John's. It's habaneros and actually extract in it. I don't think you taste. Hey James, I don't think you taste the extract in this too much. It's yeah, it's a good sauce. If you haven't tried it, Vicious Viper from K-John's, should check that out. A few other sauces I probably will use today is this, the headless horseradish. Also a pretty nice sauce, and yeah, a bit weird because of the horseradish. It has a pretty strange texture. It's sort of grainy, almost sandy. And I think that's because they grated the horseradish. More sauces. Oh yeah, my wife really likes this. Also from K-John's. Black garlic. It's pretty good. No heat whatsoever. But pretty nice sauce. Yeah, we'll have those, the regular sauces, and this is my favorite green sauce, the Zombie Snow from Hellfire. By far the best green sauce I've tasted. So yeah, I also have this today from oh, Patrick. I'm doing some see if you can see him, oven baked chicken wings and some waffle fries there. Yeah, I agree, Kevin, the black garlic is really nice. So this is from Micheal at Mickey70. He sent me about 8 different sauces. What am I saying? Peppers from his own homegrown. He's been growing these indoors, so it's really not season for them, but it's yeah, hydroponically grown, I think. Really tiny. I'm not sure if that's because they're grown indoors or something else. Oh yeah, Patrick, you're more than welcome to come here. I do suspect it might be a bit cold when you arrive, but yeah, sure. So this pepper MSCG002 F1 pheno 2, his own hybrid. I have no idea what it is. I do believe it's a cross between a Trinidad Scorpion and something else. Not quite sure. It says it really varies a lot in heat, like usually somewhere around the ghost pepper, but I mean it could be super hot or it could be fairly hot. Let's find out. Well, it's definitely hot. Quite on the a bit too ripe. Very, very soft. Yeah, Kaylee, that brand of potato waffles are awesome. Really, really good. Hey Michael, eating your pepper. What's the MSCG002? Yeah, I do believe it's sort of like a ghost pepper in heat. Got a pretty good lip burn. Back of the throat, not down in the throat, but in the back. On my left side of the tongue. A sort of ghost burn. It's not like the regular scorpion burn. The scorpion burn is like the habanero, really, really stingy. But this is a bit more warmish. Mickey's Chili Garden MSCG. Yeah, okay, cool. Thank you, Patrick. No, I haven't thought about doing a competition. I don't think I would last very long. Maybe sometime in the future, I don't know. I'm more about just pushing my own limits, doing my own thing. I really don't have anything to prove for anyone except myself. So I don't know, maybe I'll do a competition in the future. If I do, I would probably get severely beaten. But yeah, I don't know, maybe. We'll see. When this corona crap is over, it might take a while. I mean, the Spanish flu was ravaging for 3 years. It's just been 1 year now, so I don't know, might last for a bit longer. But as soon as everything opens up, I hope I'll be able to join any chili festival we can go to in the vicinity. But yeah, that's it. Gotta eat some wangs and burn like crazy. Hopefully I'll have a stomachache tomorrow. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.